Want to know how to create a party in Snake.io? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Snake.io gear. So once you have run that, you should be welcomed with this screen right here. So creating a party and inviting your friends is super simple. What you need to do is just simply hit towards party right here. That should be on the top left side right beside your name tag. So once you have selected party, here you should be seeing create right here. So just simply select create, this green button, and you should be loaded into the party. So right here you should be seeing you as your host, and you can also chat on the right side right here. You can also switch your party to public or private, and you can also copy up your code right here by selecting this copy icon and share it with your friends. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily create a party with your friends. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.